Good morning, everyone. So today I thought we could do a little bit more on the neutral larynx and just some ideas around that. But first of all, let's just start with a yawn. Yawn, and kind of wiggle your jaw around a little bit. And then we're going to go puff your cheeks. Kind of just puff up one cheek. Back and forth. Now let's do this one. So we're just kind of pulling down gently on our cheeks. Good. And now in this place, so the neutral larynx, when you lift your larynx high and go e e e, let's try that e e e and ooh ooh ooh, and putting your fingers on your throat e ooh, and you feel it move around. So now I want you to just take in a nice, relaxed breath, and feel it just be in the neutral place. And there's a breath that I've learned from yoga called Ujjayi breath. And it's something you do when you're doing Ashtanga yoga or flow yogas. And what it is you're kind of making a sigh sound with your larynx. So when you inhale, and exhale, you want to feel like that basically your larynx is feeling nice and open, but your true vocal folds are actually coming together kind of in a whisper. Hey, and then you're breathing there. And if you do it through your nose, so inhale, exhale, what I feel is I feel it really connects into my body and my support system. So let's do this breath, and we're going to stretch a little bit and lift up. And do the Ujjayi breath. Exhale. And good, reach in. And exhale. Good, and twist. And exhale, and reach up again. Inhale and exhale. And bending forward. Good. So the Ujjayi breath is a very neutral, natural larynx place to kind of start off your day. It's also very meditative and relaxing, and it slows down your inhale and it helps you to breathe more deeply, especially when you do it through your nose. Good. So let's start with we'll get our connection to our support down here going with some lip trills. Keep the airflow going. And you can if you want, kit, or zzz if you can't do either of those things. Just keep going. Good. Zzz. So let's do some straw wars, but with the idea of the NG and the neutral larynx again. So breathe in, finding that neutral. Do it with the Ujjayi breath a little bit. And then let's go. Good, and let's massage our cheeks a little bit. And let's run our thumbs under while we're doing. And then you can stick your thumb right here. Good. And now let's try zzz. Zzz. And let it flip now up into head voice. Good. So, yeah, the three major goals of singing: feeling it forward, resonantly forward, on your lips and your nose, feeling very relaxed and almost nothing in your throat, and all the work coming from down here below your belly button. Good. Let's do some grrr. So it's just octaves, and you're going to start with a G. Grrr, 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 grrr. Ready? Grrr. And let's go. E. Grrr. Ready? Grrr. A. The other thing about neutral larynx that I find, when you really concentrate on just keeping your larynx relaxed in that neutral place, my head and neck has to work, or like I feel like some engagement inside to keep this supported and doing nothing, but also I feel my body engage so that that my larynx does nothing. So think about that. Let's do another grr. Ready? Grr. Oh. Oh. Grr. Grr. Let's do ooh. Ooh. Another one. Grr. And ah. Good. Let's do some ah. So, as comfortable as you can make all of this feel, your jaw and your larynx, you want to lift your chin just a little bit, stick out your tongue. Ah. Good. Ah. Let's do some. larynx relax, neutral. And on an NG, like sing. A nice, easy, gentle sound down at the bottom. Good. And let's go ga 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 ga. So ga ga ga. Ga 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 ga. Don't let the vowel change. Ga 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 ga. 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 Larynx relax. Ga 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 ga. Lots of support. Ga 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 ga. 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 You go to ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. More. Ba 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 ba. High C. Lots of work. Good. We'll end with our traditional maybe my mummy, feeling all the resonance right in the front. And it goes, maybe my mummy may move to Miami, and maybe my mummy may not. Ready? Maybe my mummy may move to Miami, and maybe my mummy may not. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami, and maybe my mummy may not. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami, and maybe my mummy may not. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami, and maybe my mummy may not. Okay, great. Have a great day, everyone. The workshop got a few people in it, so we're going to run it on Saturday, so it's not too late to sign up for it. If you're having trouble with the Eventbrite link, just message me and you can e-transfer me. And also, one of my friends, Natasha, is going to do another a free workshop on like rolling out your body and stuff. So you need a foam roller and a ball for that to do her little warm up. And she's going to take you through the whole thing. In the end, it's about like a 5-10 minute warm up, but she's going to work you through it and explain how it works. So it should be really cool. And that one's free. And it's the following Saturday, whatever that day is. Okay, have a great day.